I'm gonna show you how to vacuum your spa with a garden hose.
When it comes to taking care of your spa, the biggest, most important advice I can give you is do not pee in it. It's the pool blaster.
Can't see the price. I don't know.
These work really great. It's actually how we started cleaning pools in the first place. We had about 4 of these of their commercial model. They work great. You're gonna get about 6 months out of them, and then water's gonna get inside of it. So here we have the spa vacuum. It's $37. Basically works like one of those squirt guns. One of the kids. I think we have a better option. To vacuum the pool with the garden hose, we want to use the male end. We're going to put this in the pool. And we're going to walk it out. Stretch our hose out. Then we're gonna take the other hose, put it up to the end of this, shoot water up this hose, and create a siphon to pull it back out. Now this will get messy. And put the hose up to this, let it squirt. It may take a few tries to get it. You can see the pressure is building in there. Now when I pull this garden hose away, the black one, we should see the red siphoning the spa out. Now this is going to create a continuous siphon. And we can vacuum off of that suction. Hose ever comes out of the water, it's going to suck air and it's going to stop our suction. Since it's siphoning, it's basically vacuuming all the sand. It's got enough suction to pull it through. This also works good with cleaning above ground pools. Essentials, we have the Pool RX. This works great in the swimming pools or spas. I've never tried these, but the homeowner asked that we could get the spa smelling good, so we're going to try these out. I will be sure to let you know how it works. Bromine tabs, you never want to use chlorine with the spa. Chlorine's going to make gases and it's going to come up right in your face as you're sitting in it. Defoamer is essential to put in. This defoamer is rated 8 ounces per 10,000. So for a 400 or 500 gallon spa, we're gonna put about 1 ounce. And then baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. Every ounce is gonna raise the alkalinity 10. the spa. So you never want to overdo it with any chemical in the spa. And you always want to make sure you're testing before you add anything to your spa. You don't want to be guessing. Remember, every ounce equals 10 for alkalinity. We're 18 ounces there. We need to go up 20. So I'm going to put in 2 ounces. I'm going to put in 1 ounce defoamer. Typically going to put about 4 or 5 of these to build up a residual of bromine with bromine tablets in it. You're going to build up a residual, and then we're going to put 1 to 2, maybe 3 or 4 to maintain it. We're going to take our Polar X. We're actually going to put it in our skimmer. It's going to take a little bit to break down, get into the water, and then it's going to actively help keep the chemicals correct. Most important advice I can give you is do not pee in it. If you pee in it, then it's going to ruin your pH and alkalinity, and it's going to be very uncomfortable. It's a small body of water, so it is very easy to mess up. That's why we only use small amounts of chemicals when we add to our spa. Thanks for watching. I'm Spencer, and this is Bowie, our mascot. We want to wish you a happy pull. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. And if you want to see any new videos, let me know in the comments.